Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a flower pot from gypsum powder. Firstly, I will use some plastic water pot or container. I'm cutting it because I need a half of this container for molding. I'm using simple cutter, you see. And that's all. And now I am preparing some mixture from gypsum and water. I will pour some water into gypsum powder and I will mix it. And it's ready, mixture is ready. Then I'm pouring this mixture into plastic container which I cut before for mold. And it's ready too. And now I'm putting some little plastic oil pot into this mixture to have form of pot, to have a mold. You see, I used 2 plastic pots to get the mold. And that's all. The flower pot is ready. Now I can put off both plastic containers. That's all. I put off the containers and now I will clean the top of flower pot with a cutter. And the flower pot is ready to show. I will put some flowers in it. I suppose it looks beautiful and you liked it. And thanks for watching. Bye.